Start.
Hi, I'm Jitendra coming up with the LBT market summary for today. The market witnessed mixed sentiments during the day's trading and displayed some sort of volatility, although indices ended the day gaining marginally. Aggressive profit taking was evident during the midday, but the boost regained momentum during the final hours of trading thanks to active retail participation. The benchmark index gained 6.89 points to close at 4,998, whilst the more liquid MPI Milanka Price Index gained 12.07 points to close at 4,462. Total turnover during the day was over rupees 295 million, approximately $2.2 million. Total volume traded was nearly 23.6 million shares. No crossings were witnessed during the day, although institutional activity was seen on specific counters. Index heavyweight Carson's emerged as the top contributor, pumping over 18.6 million towards the day's tally. The counter closed the day almost flat at rupees 466.90 rupees, and AHPL also witnessed renewed interest during the day and went on to contribute rupees 13 million. AHPL gained a marginal 1.37% to close the day at rupees 71.50. Commercial Bank witnessed its usual accumulation around rupees 100, while caps such as Rich PLC, People's Leasing Company, and Royal Ceramics RCL contributed material amounts towards the day's turnover. Activities were mainly driven by heavy trading on retail favorite caps such as HVA and Lanka Hospitals. Both counters witnessed renewed high net worth and retail interest and contributed over 28 million rupees collectively. Lanka Hospitals gained 4.37% to close at rupees 31.80, and HVA demonstrated much volatility during the day as it traded its quantities between rupees 1070 and rupees 1160. The counter witnessed profit taking during the midday, but eventually closed at rupees 1130, gaining 6.54%. Rambagh Foods Limited was the highlight during the day after its debut at the Colombo Bourse. The counter traded over 700,000 shares and gained an impressive 141% to close at rupees 24.10. Further notable trading was seen on Blue Diamond's non-voting, Sri Lanka Capital Holdings, and SCMB, whilst Rambagh Foods emerged as the top gainer. Thank you.